Such an unusual machine makes it possible to perfectly trim the feather blades at the boom. Automatic process of lawn assembly or replacement. Thanks to the bucket and professional work, it's faster and easier to build roads. Special mechanism for cleaning contaminated pipes. Preparing the pipes for transportation. With a slight movement, the machine tightens them with clamps. Automation of the box assembly process by a robot. One of the most unusual machines I've ever seen. It digs and cleans wells out of the ground. An unusual lathe for consciousness of balls of wood. Creating more balls, but now made of glass. They are used in decorations. Conveyor for processing wood into firewood. The machine helps to process cow's hooves easily and safely. No, it's not a kebab. This machine slices pressed tobacco leaves. Huge shredder, this time recycling a scooter. Hydraulic shears can easily handle wilted plants. Simplified version of tea leaf assembly. The machine equipped with a rotating toothed wheel easily removes old stumps. An unusual system for garbage collection and disposal. The hydraulic machine gives the heated metal the desired shape. Machine to create the teeth of a saw. Huge construction 3D printer. Special installation on the tractor, which allows you to pack hay. Cutting a huge piece of metal with a gas torch. Creating building materials with a hydraulic machine. It turns out unusual. One of the steps in the production of adhesive tape. One winding produces 14 finished rolls.